This 5-minute solution will show you how to turn off background music on Mobile Legends. So if you want to disable background music, follow these simple steps. Launch the Mobile Legends game and tap on the settings icon at the top right. Tap on sound, and to totally disable or turn off Mobile Legends background music, select off for main volume. And to change your background music volume, you can do it from this music level. So that's how you can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.